YT Grizzley gives a tour of his private yacht during his island vacation.
Private island shit, man. Fresh off tour. Fresh off tour. What y'all on? What's y'all favorite songs from that motherfucker, man? We on a 200 foot.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
What's y'all favorite song from that album, gang? Let me know something. I'll go download. If y'all ain't already got it, go get that shit. I told you about my battle cry. Hey, shout out to my Polo G, man. Shout out to my Polo G, man. Real one, gang. Y'all go get that album if y'all ain't already got it. Drop y'all favorite song on the album. Say In My Headphones, that's one of my shit too. I want a little In My Headphones, chicken different. I put that on. That's my shit. My baby Grizzley can't travel right now, man. You about to pull up to the PI, private island. Let me get y'all a little boat tour. Make sure that bread put up. She got me saucy, huh? I could have helped you, brother. Why you ain't called me, huh? Don't ain't selfish, gang. This shit for all of us. I was just starving, huh? Now I pull up right truck. When I felt like I played enough. AC jumping in this bitch. AC jumping. Y'all come get y'all some chips, whatever. See how where we gonna take it in at, man. Duke, I need you to come sit up the PC in this bitch, man. You come sit up the PC right here, my boy, game room. I need you to come sit up the PC for me, broski. We get this shit going on a boat. I miss being in that bitch like, I ain't gonna lie. Drop y'all favorite songs from the album, gang. I'm trying to see something. Move fuck around, whip something up in this bitch. That been dropping itself. Let's see what's going on. We got the matching pieces, man. Best of both worlds, man. Believe in something. Believe in something. Or fall for anything. I need to know favorite songs from the album, gang. My favorite right now is that Slow Me Down. And In My Headphones, I ain't gonna lie. Trey Croft, what's that word, brother? Rylan, appreciate you. Ooh, shit's strong. HD, what you on, brody? Shout out to my HD, man. Shout out to my HD, bro. Cold as this shit, bro, on this shit, bro. No cap. Man, chat, y'all gotta get on HD ass though about that new robbery. He the reason it wasn't on the album. Jerry the reason it wasn't on the album, bro. I'm happy y'all with it though. Like I said in my story the other day, this shit deeper than music, this shit deeper than just rap. I wanted y'all to feel something, bro. We can sit in this bitch and rap all day. Feel me? I want y'all to feel the pain, man. And I want y'all to know that y'all ain't the only ones going through some shit. You feel me? But I'm proof in the pudding. Just because you're going through some shit, that ain't where the story ends. That ain't where the story ends, bro. Like Tupac, bought a Fetty for my bitch. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. No hat. Got this shit going on. We see y'all in a minute, man. We're about to enjoy this shit with the family, man. Good tour. And I'll be touring the motherfuckers, man. See y'all in a minute, man. Go stream the album, man. here by mistake, you know, and we appreciate each and every last one of y'all. All of y'all hold a special place to us, you know, and I wish you many more. Thank you so much for letting us come to your birthday party.
Oh, thank you. Cheers. Right, thank us.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.